Good morning. We're off to Disney Springs this morning, possibly going to the cinema to see Finding Dory, or just to do some shopping. We're not quite sure yet. And then this afternoon we've got some fast pass tickets booked for Animal Kingdom, plus I think we're looking to see some of the shows over there. But we'll keep you informed as always, and you take care.
Day to visit. You see, today we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Ladies, hot children, boys and girls, get ready to clap your paws, stamp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin!
Just can't wait to be king.
Hiya, folks! How you doing? Don't worry, your old buddy Tim Up is here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, we're first on the count of three. Let's make some noise. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What? I'm in the sheep section?
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Hello! Look at me! I'm in a parade! Hey, Jungle Monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog section!
All right, warthogs, it's our turn. On the count of 3, let's get to snorting. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Here's your chance, elephants. Let's hear some Pachyderm power. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pumbaa, Timon. Am I in the right section?
When the show Silver where he is. 1, 2, 3.
Yep, it's the lion section, all right. Hey, guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Every show it's healing the hurt, not only. It's gonna be in suicide and cease. Oh, I just can't wait. Come on, everybody, all together now. 1, 2, 3. bit of denial is simply why I am the king of disputed, respected, saluted, and seen for a wonder I am. Yes, my teeth and ambitions are bared. Be prepared.
So we went and saw the Lion King ride at Animal Kingdom. We did bugger all today. We went shopping and just sat in our room. So we came to Animal Kingdom for the evening. Went on the Lion King musical ride, which was lovely. After doing like rides and things like that, it's been really nice to be able to just sit and watch stuff. Like we went and saw the Beauty and the Beast one as well, which was amazing. And we just had dinner at the Yak and Yeti. Em had like honey chicken and I had like a chef special, which was like ribs for the day, but it was really, really good. But we're just going on the Kali River Rapids now, and today's the first day we've actually been able to use our ponchos that Em got me for Christmas and Em bought last year when we went to Disneyland Paris. But yeah, we're gonna go on that.
Where are we going on?
Kali River Rapids.
Oh.
Kali River Rapids.
Oh.
Kali River Rapids. And we're just about to go on that, so I'm not going to be vlogging because it's going to be wet. And I think after that we've got a free fast pass that we can use. We're going to use on the Expedition Everest, and then we're going to go home, relax, because we've got to be our guest at 8:15 in the morning. So if I don't speak to you, I'll see you tomorrow. If I do speak to you, it'll be with good times and lots of happy things. So I'll see you in a bit. So we went to go get on to Expedition Everest, but the ride broke down, so they gave us fast passes to the Jungle Book musical, so we're going to go watch that now.
I can't help but notice there's this strange odor. What is it? This scent that I'm on. I'm just thinking it was some kind of man cub. A man cub becomes man, and man is forbidden. You want to protect him, fine, but ask yourselves, how many lives is a man cub worth?
I wish I could tell you that the wolves could have fought Shakar, but this is not that kind of a tale.
Never forget this. You're mine. Mine to me. No matter where you go or what they may call you, you will always be my son.
Wherever I want to go, wherever I go, but I couldn't be fonder of my big home. The bees are buzzing in the tree to get some honey just for me. When you look under those rocks and plants and take a glance at those fancy ants and maybe try you, the bare necessities of life will come to you. Necessities, the simple bare necessities, forget about